you find ways to hide a chipped tooth or not eat a certain thing that would be uncomfortable in front of other people. It becomes a very isolated situation where you choose not to be in public, not to be front facing with people. I think I was about 26 when all my back teeth, the wisdom teeth, had to come up. It was a problem with the state of condition that they were in, and so it was very uncomfortable for me going through that, and then recovering from that. I learned how to not have teeth that you can chew and eat on. One, it's emotional, but two, it's the actual pain of learning how to eat without teeth. As an instructor in self-development program that I did for a number of years, it meant being in front of a group of 40 people that were looking to be better at who they are. And these are professionals that were counting on me. And yet I was revealing only part of me without smiling. I'd have to make sure that no one saw behind the mask that I had bad teeth. I had a partner that basically ridiculed me as to how I ate. And that obviously became an internal struggle for me to say, I need to make a change. You know, I heard a lot about some of the different one-day solutions. Go in one day and at the end of the day, it's done. I was not seeing anything that was reinforcing that that was a good decision. When I sat down with Dr. Greg, and I had, at that point, only 18 teeth, he took the time to go through all the steps, what would be required. It became a decision that was easy to make because it was informed. There's not a hindrance in anything I can do, whether it's smile, eat. I can eat an apple. I can eat a filet mignon. I can eat crispy bacon. I can be in the front of a crowd of 8,000 people and address them and not think twice about what I say, how I say it, and they can tell that I feel that much better about myself, whether it's at home or at work or with strangers out in public. I think that's a pretty good deal.